So, how do you remove the backgrounds in photos with AI tools? So, to start off, let's search for remove background. Now, here we just need to click on the first website that you'll see. So, let's click on that. Now, this website is a free AI tool that removes your background for free. So, let's upload an image here. So for this example, I'll be using this image. So if you see this, just close it. And here you need to either pick the lower resolution or the HD. So do note that you need to pay or get a subscription for the HD versions of the picture. So for now, we're just gonna use the free one. So let's download that. And as you can see, if we do open it up, and there you have it. So the image's background has been removed. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.